Hey guys, welcome to Home Decor. Today I'm gonna take you on a journey back in time as we explore some incredible small kitchen, space-saving coffee bar designs and decorating ideas. Let's start. A kitchen coffee bar is a dedicated space in your kitchen designed for brewing and enjoying coffee. It typically includes essentials like a coffee maker, mugs, coffee beans, and accessories. Here is a breakdown of the key elements of a stylish and functional coffee bar. Location: countertop corner. Utilize an unused corner of your kitchen countertop. Nook or alcove. Convert a small nook or alcove into a coffee station. Coffee essentials: coffee machine, mugs and cups. Store a variety of mugs or hooks, shelves, or in a nearby cabinet. Coffee beans and pods. Use decorative jars or containers to store beans, grounds, or pods. Storage shelves. Floating shelves above the coffee bar can hold decor, coffee beans, and mugs. Drawer and cabinets. Keep additional supplies like sugar, spoons, and filters organized. Decor and personalization. Signet. Add a chalkboard or wooden sign with a coffee-related quote. Lighting. Use painted lights or a small lamps to illuminate the area. Greenery. Incorporate small plants or flowers for a fresh look. Extra features: mini freeze, store milk, creams, or cold brew. Bar stool. If space allows, added tools for a cozy coffee corner. Design styles: rustic, use wood finishes, winter sign, and messengers. Modern, sleek lines, minimalist decor, and monochrome color schemes. Farmhouse, white shiplap, or baskets, and antique-inspired decor. A kitchen coffee bar can be a functional and stylish addition to your space, making your morning routine more enjoyable. A kitchen coffee bar is more than just a spot for brewing coffee. It is a personalized space that can reflect your style and enhance your kitchen's functionality. Design consideration: space efficiency. Even in a small kitchen, you can create a compact coffee bar by using vertical space with wall-mounted shelves or hooks. If space is limited, consider a pull-out shelf or hidden storage for coffee supplies. Material choices: countertops. Choose materials that complement your kitchen, like bathtub block for a rustic look, or marble for a luxurious feel. shelving. Floating wooden shelves add warmth, while metal shelves give a modern industrial vibe. Organization tips: compartmentalize storage. Use baskets, trays, or dividers to keep everything organized. For example, separate pots, filters, and stressors in different containers. Lazy Susan. Place a lazy Susan on the counter to organize straps, sweeteners, and other essentials for easy access. Aesthetic elements backglass. A tile or mirror backglass can make the coffee bar a focal point. Pattern tiles add character, while mirrors reflect light, making the space feel bigger. Color scheme. Consider a color palette that either blends with your kitchen or stands out as an accent area. Neutral tones like white, gray, or black are versatile, while pastels or bold colors can make the coffee bar pop. Additional features: coffee grinder. A high quality grinder is essential for coffee station who prefer freshly ground beans. Storage jars. Glass or ceramic jars with labels for coffee, sugar, and other ingredients keep the area tidy and visually appealing. Water source. If possible, having a small sink nearby or a hot water tap can add convenience. Personal touches. Custom mugs display a collection of unique or personalized mugs that reflect your personality or travels. Artwork and coffee themed artwork or create a gallery wall with vintage coffee ads. Seasonal decor. Change the decor with the seasons. For instance, use holiday themed mugs and decorations in winter. Inspiration and style. Modern minimalist coffee bar. Clean lines, sleek appliances, and a monochrome palette create a chic and modern coffee station. Farmhouse coffee bar. Incorporate distressed wood, chalkboard labels, and galvanized metal containers for a cozy farmhouse vibe. Vintage coffee bar. Use retro-inspired machines, antique design, and classic patterns to achieve a nostalgic feel. Lighting and ambience. Profile lighting is key for setting the mood. Under-cabinet lighting, pendant lights, or a small lamps can make the coffee bar feel warm and inviting, especially in the morning or late evening. Functionality. Make sure the coffee bar is functional for your needs. For example, if you often entertain guests, include enough storage for extra cups and supplies. If it is just for you, focus on your favorite brewing method and ingredients. A kitchen coffee bar combines convenience, style, and personal flair. Whether you are an avid coffee drinker or just enjoy the occasional cup. This dedicated space can make your kitchen more enjoyable and visually appealing. A kitchen coffee bar is a versatile and practical addition to any home, offering a dedicated space for brewing, storing, and enjoying coffee. Planning your coffee bar. Consider how you plan to use your coffee bar. Is it for quick morning brews, leisurely weekend coffee sessions, or entertaining guests? This will influence its size, layout, and features. Location and placement. Near the kitchen. If you have space, placing the coffee bar near your kitchen's main area. Keep it accessible. Ensure it is not too far from your outer source and other appliances. A well-designed coffee bar elevates your coffee making routine, turning into a delightful experience, whether it is a compact corner in your kitchen or a more elaborate setup. A coffee bar adds convenience, style, and a touch of luxury to your home. Subscribe our channel if you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video.